Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Same Apple ID, updated iOS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi on. Now, unlock both devices and keep them close. This speeds pairing and iCloud sync. On the iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, enable the categories you want to sync, like Photos, Contacts, and Keychain. Once done, switch to the iPad and repeat. This ensures the same data sets are selected. Make sure to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network while changes propagate. Next, focus on deeper sync settings. Enable iCloud Drive and the specific app toggles you need so documents and app data mirror across devices. Turn on Handoff in Settings General. This allows you to continue tasks seamlessly between iPhone and iPad. Then, run a manual iCloud backup on the iPhone. Settings, tap your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, Backup Now. Once completed, the iPad will pull that data when restoring or when its iCloud sync refreshes. These steps handle app state and nuanced data transfer. To finish, open the key apps on the iPad and confirm that contacts, photos, notes, and documents are present. Some apps require you to sign in separately for third-party sync. If items don't appear within a few minutes, restart both devices and check Wi-Fi. Also verify iCloud storage. When full, backups and sync stop, delete unneeded backups or upgrade your plan. One troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into iCloud on the affected device only after you have a local backup. This often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.